Hey everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video on installing these hair buns that I got in a previous mailbag. I installed them in the rear tires of my Enduro, went out crawling, and they seem to be working really well. So they fill up the tire pretty good, and I'm going to install them in my Element Gatekeeper, the rear tires. They have general grabbers right now. And so here's just a preview of the compression on the rear tires before I install them. And I'll take these off and install them. Probably do a little time-lapse video and see if I get some good performance out of them. And these are just general. They're, like I said, general grabbers, and I think they just have single stage foam in them. Straight from the factory from Team Associated. So I'll do all the editing in post, probably speed things up, but alright, let's get started. Alright, so I got them off, and now I'm just going to unscrew the bead locks from the back and take the stock foams out and shove these in and reinstall everything. So let's do that. Alright, so screwed all the B-lock screws in and Loctited them. Put the hair bun in, and so here is the compression after the fact. Not sure how much, I'm squeezing it pretty hard, and I don't know if it kind of translates well on video, but it does feel to be more stiff, but still have pretty good compression. And it fills out. You can feel it all the way up to here. Like it's pretty much, I'm pinching it, and that's not filled with the hair button, but everything else is, where this wasn't filling up the tire a lot. So yeah, like I said, I got these hair buns for like $1.50, I think. If you're watching this and you want to know more about them, I will put the link to the mailbag video I got them down below. If you're watching this, probably won't shoot more video to do the other one. While doing this on wheels are all the same. So yeah, fills out the tire real nice, and it gets good compression. So I'm anxious to put these back on and go out crawling again and see the grip. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.